Suicide is one of the leading causes of death in the United States. According to the CDC, suicide rates increased approximately 36% between 2000 and 2021. And our next guest is working hard to try to reverse that trend. Mia St. John is a former world champion boxer with 49 wins, including 19 knockouts. She's also the founder of the Mia St. John Foundation and now the author of Fighting for My Life, a memoir about a mother's loss and grief, where she details her son's tragic passing from suicide. Mia joins us now. Mia, thank you so much for taking the time tonight.
Oh, thank you so much for having me.
And Mia, I know that you've opened up now about what must have been such a traumatic experience, the death of your son by suicide. And I understand that he was actually in treatment for substance use. It was in that facility that he died by suicide. Can you share with us, what was it like to receive that news?
The call was just, it seemed so surreal. That was the day my whole life ended as I knew it. You know, I had, to me, what was the most beautiful family, an amazing career, and nothing could go wrong. And that day, my whole world fell apart. And like you said, you know, to make matters worse, he was in a hospital that was supposed to be protecting him. He was in there because he had been suicidal, because he was addicted to meth. And we find out shortly thereafter that they were missing his checks. They weren't checking on him. They weren't giving him his medication, his antipsychotic. And then they were falsifying the records. And so that just made it even more horrific, and the lawsuit that followed. You know, luckily our family won, but we still didn't, I'll never get my son back.
Yeah. You know, and I know since then you have pushed California mental health facilities to actually ban plastic bags to prevent suicides. We mentioned you also founded the Mia St. John Foundation, which addresses mental health and homelessness and addiction. I know that you've said that your son is cheering you on. Can you tell me more about that?
Oh, yeah. I mean, there's so many times when I felt like I did not want to go on. I just couldn't go on. And just what had happened to him, I felt like now my sole purpose must be helping others like my son. And like you said about, we finally, after 8 years, got plastic bags banned from all suicide units. And I started programs for the mentally ill who are homeless, who are drug addicted. And it's these kids that now give me purpose. They give me a reason to wake up in the morning.
You know, and I do want to add, on top of losing your son, you lost the man that you call the love of your life, the young and the restless star, Christoph St. John. You talk about there were moments and days and nights where you did not see a reason, you did not see a light, you did not see a reason to go on. What is your message to all Americans tonight on finding the light and keeping going?
Oh, gosh. Well, you know, aside from having these beautiful kids that I work with every day, I have my daughter, my surviving daughter, to live for. And I have to tell you, this is so important for people out there who are watching or listening. Have a doctor that you can trust. My psychiatrist is the only one that I can trust to call when I'm feeling suicidal or like I can't go on. He's the one that I trust, and I am so fortunate that I have such a great doctor, because they are hard to find. I know that. I know the mental health system. So it's very difficult, but if you just don't give up and keep searching and talk to someone, it may not be a doctor, but talk to someone that you trust.
Yeah, and I think removing the stigma as well around seeking help and getting mental health support is so important. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.